Hello teachers, hello students. Okay, so kung meron po nangangailangan po ng inyong periodical test, this quarter one, meron po akong nakaredy po dito, available po to avail. Meron po akong ginawang grade 7 first periodical test. This is under of the Matatag curriculum. So ito po yung aking ginawang test. So yung mga, ayan po, it covers the geometry, measurement, and also the algebra and numbers. Okay, so doon naman po sa grade 8, ito po yung mga factoring polynomials, rational expression, system of equation, ayan. And for the grade 9 naman po, ito po yung quadratic equation, quadratic functions, inequalities, graph of function, parabola, the shifting to the left, right, upward, and so on and so forth. And for the grade 10 naman po, okay, ito po yung mga sequence. Okay, so nandyan po yung mga cover of the grade 10 questions. Sa mga willing po, paki-PM lang po ako at ipopost ko po ito sa Math TikTok PH. Okay, so with that, thank you so much po sa pag-avail.